Hey guys, in this Canva tutorial, let's take a look at how to change the background color. Now, first and foremost, you need to make sure that the background color is actually the background of your page and not another element. So, for instance, we've got this green and this tan. The green is a shape. So this shape actually has its own color, right? And if I had this shape maybe across the entire background, then I would need to change the color of this shape as opposed to the color of the background. You need to make sure that your design either has an element or doesn't. In this case, I'm going to press the delete key and just get rid of that shape. So we actually have this tan background, and that is the background color of our page. We click on that and we get this color right up here where we can change the background color. Click on that on the left hand side. You're going to see all these different colors in this menu. You can search for colors. You can use different document colors. You can use colors from your photo that should, maybe have the same tone as your photo. And then you can even add new colors or gradients in here. So with this color, we can just bring this slider around, kind of change this to whatever you want until you find a color that you feel like works with your design. You can also change to a gradient and take two different colors or even more than two different colors. And by the way, this is like the order. You can kind of click and drag to move, or I guess switch the order of the colors. And then you have different styles of gradients from the corner, from the center, just a linear gradient from left to right or top to bottom, and then switch the colors to kind of flip that gradient. And then, of course, there are some gradients down here, like default gradients. So you could click on some of these to kind of change the look really quickly. Some gradients are already set up for you. But all in all, this is how to change the background color. You can just click on the background and then click on that background color and come over here and start picking colors. It works really well to use colors from the image. We'll probably find one here that kind of feels like it really fits, even if it's dark or like a darker brown, because some of these colors are actually pulled from the image itself. Now, if you have multiple pages, so we're going to add a couple pages here, they'll just take the background color of the page that you were on before. But if I take this page, for instance, and come in here and I change this background color, maybe to this different orange, or gray orange is what they call it. If I click on that, you'll see this thing pop up at the bottom that says change all. So you can quickly change all the colors of all your pages, or all the background colors of all your pages, just by clicking on that. You'll see that they all changed to this lighter brown, as opposed to having to go through them one by one. So when you change a color of one, you're able to change all the colors if you want to. Works well for presentations or, multi-page designs if you have the same elements or the same background color need on each page. That's it though. That's how you can change background color in Canva.